Hi guys! Allow me to give you a glimpse of our stay in one of the top and best hotels in Sapa, Vietnam. This is the Pistachio Hotel, which is just a 2-minute walk from the Sapa City Center and Sun World Pansipan. This hotel costs us 8,662 pesos for 2 nights, 2 persons, including breakfast buffet. Upon lobby entrance, you will be greeted by their courteous staff and will be amazed by their elegant and spacious lobby with an overlooking corner view while sitting on their cozy sofa sets. They have also welcome drinks. It's actually a cinnamon tea. And the manager was even nice to give us an upgrade for a bigger room. We personally choose this hotel because of their infinity pool. Perfect mountain view from the room and its strategic location. So here we are guys, I'm giving you a room tour. We originally booked a superior mountain view but upgraded to premium deluxe double room with balcony and a view of monorail passing by. See guys, perfect. This is a 38 square meter room with a king size bed, complete amenities which you need in a 5-star hotel. And guys, look at this infinity pool. This is the main reason why I opted to book this hotel. Look at this. I've ordered an afternoon tea snack for 741,000 Vietnamese dong or equivalent to 1,766 pesos. Look how classy and IG-worthy the setup is. And you know that they also offer a breakfast floating basket if you want to have your breakfast in the pool. It was actually initially what I ordered, but they said it's for breakfast time only. So I opted this afternoon tea set. But I asked if they can transfer it to floating basket because we want to experience it in the pool. And you know what? They happily customized it for us. The staff here are truly amazing, finding ways for you to be greatly satisfied.